ABA 624, Deck 2, 35 cards. Getting a consistent measurement each time you measure the same event. Reliability. Data with validity is blank, blank to the phenomenon measured and the reason for measuring it. Directly relevant. Baseline logic consists of prediction, verification, and blank. Replication. Nia measures the toy 3 times and gets the same number each time. This demonstrates high blank. Reliability. Baseline logic consists of blank, verification, and replication. Prediction. The number of correct answers on a math sheet in math class, period, over the month. Acceleration. 1/20th of the horizontal axis of all standard acceleration charts. Acceleration time period. Measurement procedure for obtaining a tally or count of the number of times a behavior occurs. Event recording. A statement of the anticipated outcome of a future measurement. Prediction. Measures of blank are the most often used index of believability in applied behavior analysis. IOA, Inter-Observer Agreement. The extent to which the researcher shows that the data are trustworthy and deserve interpretation. Believability. Verification substantiates the accuracy of the original blank of continued stable baseline responding. Prediction. A line drawn through a series on graphed data points on a standard acceleration chart. Acceleration trend line. An acceleration trend line, rates of response blank, is acceleration, multiplying. Acceleration trend line shows how the rate of blank is multiplying or dividing across the acceleration time period. Response. Demonstrating that the prior level of baseline responding would have remained unchanged if the independent variable wasn't introduced. Verification. The researcher makes a blank and then confirms that prediction with additional baseline. Prediction. Baseline logic consists of prediction, blank, and replication. Verification. Accuracy is the extent that the observed value matches the blank blank. True value. Data with blank is directly relevant to the phenomenon measured and the reason for measuring it. Validity. Prediction is made and blank during baseline until change is unlikely under present conditions. Confirmed. Accuracy is the extent that the blank blank matches the true value. Observed value. If the researcher records 5 jumps and the true value is 5 jumps, the measurement has blank. Accuracy. Replication demonstrates the blank of the behavior change. Reliability. The closer values obtained by repeated measurements of the same event are to one another, the greater the blank. Reliability. Acceleration time period is 1 blank of the horizontal axis of all standard acceleration charts. 20th. Reliable measurement is blank measurement. Consistent. Extent that observed value matches true value. Accuracy. Repeating independent variable manipulations and obtaining similar outcomes. Replication. A measure of how rates of response change over time. Acceleration. Acceleration incorporates count per unit of time per unit of blank. Time. Replication further blank the probability that confounding variables are responsible for the changes in responding. Reduces. Verification reduces the probability that a blank variable was responsible for the change in responding. Confounding. Acceleration incorporates blank per unit of time, per unit of time. Count. An acceleration trend line, rates of response blank is deceleration. Dividing.